Vivekananda School online classes, class 10th, chemistry. Hello students, today we will discuss chapter number 2, acids, bases and salts. And the topics are acidic substances, basic substances, classification of acids and indicators. First of all, we will start from the introductions. Acidic and basic substances. The word acid comes from Latin word acidus, meaning sour. Acidic substances are sour in taste. Example, vinegar. It contains natural acid called ethanoic acid. What are bases? Bases are the substances that taste bitter and feel slippery to the skin. Example, metal oxides and metal hydroxides. Some bases are soluble in water, that is why they are called alkali. Example, NaOH. There are millions of compounds on the basis of chemical properties. Compounds are classified into three groups. First, acids, second, bases, and third, salts. Now we will discuss classification of acids on the basis of their sources. There are two types of acids, organic acids and the mineral acids. Organic acids which we get from the nature and the mineral acid which we get from the minerals which are present in the earth crust. There are some common organic acid and their sources. Citric acid which we get from the citrus fruits like lemon. Tartaric acid, tamarind and grapes. Lactic acid which we get from the sour milk or curd. Oxalic acid which we get from the tomatoes. Acetic acid which we get from the ketchup, vinegar, silica. Formic acid which we get from the ant sting, nettle leaf sting, etc. Let us discuss the classification of acids on the basis of their strength and water content. First of all, we will learn the definition of acid which was given by a scientist, Arrhenius. An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. First of all, we will classify acids on the basis of their strength. On the basis of strength, acids are classified into two types, weak acids and strong acids. Weak acids, the acids which do not dissociate into ions completely when dissolved in water. Example, citric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid and formic acid. Strong acids. Strong acids are the acids which are completely dissociate into ions when dissolved in water. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, etc. Now we will classify acids on the basis of water content. The two types of acid on the basis of water content. First is diluted acid, second is concentrated acids. Dilute acid, when acid contains less percentage of water, then it is called diluted acid. Concentrated acid, when acid contains more percentage of water, then it is called concentrated acids. In this slide, you can see two types of acids, organic acids and the mineral acids. Organic acids which we get from the nature and the mineral acid which we get from the minerals. Acetic acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acids are the example of mineral acid which we get from the minerals and those minerals which we are getting from the earth crust. Let us discuss about the indicator. An indicator is a chemical that changes its color to indicate the presence of acid and base. Indicators are of three types. Number one, natural indicators. Natural indicators we get from the nature. Example, red cabbage leaves, China rose, turmeric, beetroot and litmus solution are used as a natural indicators. The second type of indicators are synthetic indicators. The indicators which we get from the chemicals, they are called synthetic indicators. Example, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. The third type of indicator is olfactory indicator. The substances whose smell changes in acidic or basic solution, they are called olfactory indicators. Example, onion and vanilla extract. In this slide, you can see colors of some indicators in acidic or basic solutions. Litmus solutions become red in acidic medium and blue in basic medium. Turmeric becomes yellow in acidic medium and reddish brown in basic medium. Methyl orange becomes pinkish red in acidic medium and becomes yellow in basic medium. Phenolphthalein becomes colorless. It remains same in acidic medium and pink in basic medium. So you can see the color changes process of indicators. With this, we come to an end of the today's lecture. Thank you.